Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a deep dive into some of the most interesting tech and automotive products out there. Today, we're looking at the Sky High Car Audio 1/0 CCA Big 3 Upgrade Kit, designed to take your vehicle's electrical system to the next level. If you've ever installed a high-output audio system, you know that your car's factory wiring often can't keep up with the demands of aftermarket amplifiers, subwoofers, and other accessories. This is where a Big 3 upgrade comes into play. The Sky High Car Audio Kit focuses on improving voltage flow and overall system performance by replacing your stock wiring with heavy-duty 1/0 gauge copper-clad aluminum cables, which strike a balance between cost and conductivity. The kit comes with 3 4-foot runs of wire, making up a total of 12 feet. One end of each wire is pre-terminated with copper ring terminals, while the other end is left open, allowing you to cut or adjust the length as needed for your specific installation. These copper ring terminals are high quality and designed for reliable connections that won't degrade over time. To top it off, each wire is finished with heat shrink tubing, giving you a clean, professional look while also adding protection against abrasion and heat. The wiring itself is copper-clad aluminum, often referred to as CCA. While not as conductive as pure copper, CCA is still a reliable option for most audio setups and is significantly more cost-effective. The wire jacket is flexible, making it easier to route through your vehicle's engine bay and interior, while remaining durable enough for long-term use. Installation of the Big 3 upgrade is straightforward. Essentially, you're enhancing 3 key connections: the alternator positive, the battery negative to chassis, and the engine ground. By strengthening these connections, your vehicle can better handle high current draws, reducing voltage drops, and improving the efficiency and stability of your audio system. One thing to note is that this kit is compatible with a wide range of devices, including aftermarket amplifiers, subwoofers, head units, and other high-output systems. It's heat-resistant and suitable for both indoor and outdoor automotive use. The Sky High Car Audio Kit weighs just over 3 pounds and comes in a red and black color scheme, which is standard for positive and negative wiring, helping prevent installation errors. In terms of design, the focus is clearly on performance and reliability. Pre-terminated ends, heat shrink protection, and a flexible jacket all point to a kit that's built for both the professional installer and the DIY enthusiast. While it's not pure copper, the copper-clad aluminum construction still delivers solid performance for most car audio systems without breaking the bank. Overall, if you're looking to upgrade your car's electrical system to support more powerful audio components or just improve overall electrical efficiency, the Sky High Car Audio 1/0 CCA Big 3 Upgrade Kit is a practical and well-thought-out option. It balances affordability, reliability, and ease of installation, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to strengthen their vehicle's electrical backbone. That wraps up our review of the Sky High Car Audio 1/0 CCA Big 3 Upgrade Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next product deep dive. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.